Hello, this is Michael Daskalakis, and today I'm going to share some quick tips on the power of the note card. Now, I believe this idea can really increase your productivity and life joy, and I'll tell you exactly how. You get one of these things, a note card with lines on both sides, and you're going to use both sides throughout the day. It's such a good idea to write down things. It helps train your memory, and it helps you focus on what's important. So, quick video. I just want you to take a note card, and every day, if you've watched a previous video of mine, I talk about gratitude and gratitude lists and the scientific benefits of listing things you're grateful. So, two things I want you to do. One is take down 5 to 10 lines on a note card and write down things you're grateful for. Now, if you do this every day, either in the morning or at the end of the day to wrap up your day, you'll find you start to feel more grateful for your life. So that's half the deal. On the other side of the note card, you can take 10 points and write down ideas to improve your life or business. 10 ideas. I read about this in a book many years ago. I forgot what it was called, but it just says write down 10 ideas. I've been doing this for many years now, and it's really helped me generate ideas in my life. So, 10 things you're grateful for, one side, other side, 10 ideas to improve your life. They don't have to be great ideas, but just brainstorm a bit, and by the 10th idea, you'll find at least one good thing to move you to that next level. Okay? Some people recommend writing your goals down, but I'm not a fan of to-do lists because they're not inspiring. They don't get you to do what you need to do. So, buy a note card, take a pen, take the time to do that. I promise I'll help you. Thank you.